What's up everyone? I'm Jessi Pontillas, aka True Flow. Welcome to Dance with VS Versus Styles online dance tutorials. Today we're going to be working on learning the jerk. Let's get started. All right, let's break this movement down. So you're gonna first start with your right foot in front of you, and you wanna stay grounded at all times, yeah? This helps it be more stable, as well as helps you transfer your weight forward and back. I'll explain that in a little bit. First, we wanna make sure that our weight is on our toes. You wanna stay on your toes because that keeps your balance, as well as helps you get your knees out. With this, you also wanna use a little bit of a bounce with it. So you're gonna bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, on every whole count, your knees are gonna go outwards. So if I'm here, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, feel free to sway forward, shifting your weight forward, and shift your weight back, yeah? Any way that you can kind of play with this movement, personalize it, make it your own, is awesome. So let's try putting everything together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Also, if you want to add another layer of personalization, feel free to use your arms. Your arms can go out, boom, boom, boom. Brush your hair back, pick up your shirt, whatever it may be that makes it your own. Let's try another 8 count, just with counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, right foot front. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. Let's try it with some music. All right, let's try this with some music. Here we go. 2 8 counts to the front. 2, 3, 4, right foot. 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's turn it around. Face the back. 2 8 counts again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 2 8 counts, face the front. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now make it your own. And that was the jerk. So, just a few reminders before we wrap up this video. Remember, stay grounded, use that bounce, and just have fun with it. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe to the Versatile Dance channel, as well as follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersatileLA. And if you want to follow me, feel free to follow me at Jessi Pontillas _. Thanks for watching, y'all, and I'll see you next time. Peace.